Namaskar, I am Dr. Amit Bardwaj, scientist from India Meteorological Department. I welcome you all on daily weather briefing for 30th of December. These are today's highlight. Dense fog condition likely to continue over plain of northwest of India during next 4 to 5 days. A fresh cold wave spell likely to commence over northwest of India from 1st January onwards. Now, if we see the past 24-hour weather observed in the IMD observatories, the minimum temperature are in the range of 7 to 10 degrees Celsius over many part of the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. And today's morning, very dense fog condition observed in some pockets over East Uttar Pradesh, in isolated pockets over West Uttar Pradesh, dense fog in some pockets over Punjab and isolated pockets over Bihar. We also see that due to the presence of WD, rainfall observed at most places over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and Muzaffarabad, at many places over Himachal Pradesh, at isolated places over Uttarakhand, and isolated rainfall over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and West Rajasthan. And the chief amount of rainfall is listed below in centimeter. You can see that Jammu and Kashmir, 4 centimeter of rainfall is observed over one of the station. So now if we come to see the today's synoptic system, so there are 2 synoptic systems available. The WD, now seen as a cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and neighborhood at 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level, with a trough aloft in the middle troposphere westerlies, with its axis at 5.8 kilometer above mean sea level, roughly along 70° east to 30° north. There is also an induced cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and neighborhood, which now lies over Punjab and neighborhood, which extend up to 1.5 kilometer above mean sea level. Now, due to the under the influence of the WD, isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall likely over Western Himalayan region on today. And there are also a fresh feeble western disturbance is likely to cause isolated to scattered rainfall or snowfall over Western Himalayan region on 3rd and 4th of January. Now, if I come for minimum temperature forecast and cold wave warning, due to the north westerlies winds from Himalaya over plains of northwest of India, minimum temperature very likely to fall gradually by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over the same region during next 3 days, and no significant change thereafter. As a result, there will be cold wave conditions, which are very likely in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi during 1st and 4th of January, over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and North Rajasthan during 2nd and 4th of January, and over West Uttar Pradesh 3rd and 4th of January. And no significant change in the minimum temperature likely over many parts of East India during next 2 days, and 2 to 3 degrees Celsius rise thereafter. And there will be no significant change in the minimum temperature likely over Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours. And there will be fall by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius by subsequent 2 days. Now, due to the light winds and high moisture near the surface over Indo-Gangetic plain, dense to very dense fog conditions very likely in many parts of over pockets over Punjab and Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, in isolated pockets over Uttar Pradesh during 31st December to 4th of January, and dense fog in isolated over North Rajasthan during 31st to 2nd of January. Now, dense fog also very likely in isolated pockets over Assam and Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura during next 2 days. Cold day conditions very likely in isolated pockets over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi during 1st and 3rd of January, and over Uttar Pradesh 3rd and 4th of January. So these information are also shown here in 5 days weather warning map. You can also see in the graphical format. Orange warning has been issued for up to 3 days over Punjab and Haryana. and yellow warning has been for the fog conditions, dense fog conditions are you can see observed over 5 days over northwest of India, except Jammu and Kashmir, and day 1, day 2, except Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Now you can also please visit and download the following apps for getting the update information regarding the weather. And you can also follow us on IMD website, on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and blog. These links are shown here. And I thank you all for listening. Thank you.